Hello everybody, this is Sarahscopic and you're watching another episode of Cafe Rain where Eileen is hurt! We don't know what happened! Oh gosh. What'd they do to her?
Let's get these ropes off of you.
Okay. Whoa, hello. Okay. Search Isaac. I don't want to wake
a key
him.
on him.
That's good to know. Okay. Alright, so now we can... Okay. Jesus. Okay. Wait a second. What? Whoa, wait a second. Oh no, that was 73. That was 79. This whole 70 79. Okay, I thought they were all dead in 79. I was like, that's creepy. Although they did die within like the same, like... okay. They all died within like 5 years of each other though. Okay. They all die in like the same year. Oof. Creepy. Oh yeah, because he ain't dead yet. Alright, you. Okay. True enough. It's not gonna open one of these things? Okay, so it's obviously not that. Okay. What can I do? Can I give her electric shock? I don't know, I'm just... Can I burn her? Poke her with a cigarette? Okay. Show her some lights. Do I just leave? This seems wildly terrible. Gosh, it's so creepy. Do I just leave them? Oh, right, of course. Duh. Tie him up. Bloop. Now you tied up.
That should do it.
Okay, now I can leave. Alright. Okay, good.
Alright, we'll take it from here.
Am I no longer a fugitive, please?
Should we bring what's her name to the clinic?
Eileen, and no, she's not physically hurt. It's just shock, that's all.
Yeah?
I'll take care of her. Please, just drop us off at Grandma's.
Alright then, but don't think you're off the hook for that stunt you pulled at the station.
Yeah, but I had reasons.
Considering the circumstances, I'm gonna refrain from hauling your ass back to that cell.
Well, I'm
You
glad.
better not leave town until we've sorted all this out, or you can look forward to a statewide APB. Got it?
Yeah,
That's
I know.
more than fair, Sheriff. Thanks.
Good. Come by the station when you've dropped off your friend. We'll need to take your statement.
Yeah.
I will.
Oh, Eileen.
It's my fault this has happened to her.
No, it's not. You know exactly who's to blame. That vile man behind bars or whoever is pulling his strings. Go there, find out what he knows, and get to the bottom of this. It's too late for Joseph, but maybe she still has a chance.
Well, I'm sure as hell not gonna wait here for her to rot away.
Good. She'll be safe with me.
All right then, I'm off.
This is so sad. Eileen. Ugh, well now it's like, okay, we ain't got time for this. Oh, jeez, what happened to her? What'd they do? They feed her something? Alright, where am I going? Oh, I have to go to the police station first. And give my statement. Hey, buddy.
Hey, you're back.
Yeah, I am.
I am. You guys want my statement?
Yeah, the sheriff is waiting for you.
All right.
Let's go and get that statement. Hi.
Let's talk, Sheriff.
Blah, 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 blah. Then I broke
And
it
that's when I found that creep with her tied up in the crypt.
Jesus. I had my suspicions about that church, but I never thought it
This
was
deep to what? What does this deep mean?
Yeah. So, what happens now?
I'll call the judge and get a warrant. We find anything else, that bastard won't get away
Alright,
with it.
but he obviously isn't the one.
Okay, can I go talk to him?
Go ahead. Ask Lenny to go with you if you need
Man, I love small town cops. They don't care about any of this. They
Will
don't
do.
care about any
Thanks,
of the
Sarah.
usual, like, no, you're not actually supposed to be doing that.
Think nothing of it.
Oh wow, he's something super nice to me. Why was he suspicious of the church of? I mean, it's a small town. You usually don't get suspicious of small town churches. Hey, Lenny. The Red Man. Not to... nah, I'm totally kidding. Cool. Storage facility. Okay, apparently not. Okay, apparently... Aw, come on! I ship it. Alright, let's go. Apparently I'm going by myself. I don't need no Lenny's help. Hey, you. We need to talk. We have lots to talk about. What you doing? And also, I'm not leaving a mop around so that you can try to break out. Good lord. I have a lot of questions. We're gonna just go in order. What? That means you're... That's weird. Oh, good lord. The Lord did not ordain this. What? Yeah? Why are you trying to steal paintings? Chronicler. That's what Jimmy said. He called her a chronicler. So they thought she was some kind of prophet? Like modern day prophet? Super weird. What's your mission statement? That doesn't seem like a good mission statement. Apparently. Yeah. But who's doing the brainwashing? Oh, man. I always think it's so hubristic whenever people, the whole idea of like, well, God's on my side, therefore I'm right. And it's like, God's only on your side if you are right. But who are you to say, you know, God is on the side of right, but that doesn't mean just because you think you're right that you are right. This is getting way too philosophical. I'm gonna keep going. These things always make me go, uh-huh. Obviously it's meant to be evil here because he's obviously crazy, but still. Who's the Red Man? Tell me! Excuse you. Yeah, you mean you drugged her. That ain't the same thing. Nah. Yeah. I mean, at least he's honest. The old god. Interesting. Looking at old mythologies is always very interesting. The old gods. And, you know, the cruel gods. The ones that, yeah. Weird. What old god is he talking? I wonder if they're talking about something specific or if it's just made up for this. Oh, jeez. You drugged them. I don't know how else to say it. Uh-huh. I don't, uh-huh. Tell me about a storage facility. True enough. Okay. Yep. What did I tell you, people? What did I tell you? Called it. Okay. Sure. True enough. Okay. Yeah, I'm curious. Okay. Are we gonna know they're like the world's gonna explode thing? Because I'm not sure how to feel about that. Sure enough. I'm just making sure I haven't. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm done. Jeez. Yeah, I think you can do that yourself. Still wondering what that small TV was for. Okay. So I talked with him. But now I need to know what that opens. Hey, Sheriff, can you tell me more details? Yo. Alright, tell me about the Red Man. And I swear I'm not crazy. I tried. Eileen. Okay, maybe you can tell me about a storage facility? Dang it. Okay, fine. Alright, so let's get out of here and figure out who else I should be talking to. I need to find a storage facility. I imagine I need to find out what those keys open. And then I can, probably confront Isaac again. That's what I'm guessing? But I don't even know where to start for a storage facility. Maybe Grandma knows? Should I know where I can find a storage facility? This is getting intense. I'm running out of time. Well, in a way, that's actually probably good, because that means she's not getting worse. Because I think once Grandpa woke up, that's when things got real bad. Storage facility? What storage facility? Okay. Fine. I don't know where there's... Obviously, the game's telling me, Sarah, you know where there's a storage facility. And I'm like, game, I don't remember there's a storage facility. Why don't you tell me where there's a storage facility? Well, Sarah, we already showed you where the storage facility is. Maybe if you freaking remembered or paid attention while you played the game, you'd know where a storage facility was. Wait. Storage facility. Wait. Wait. Surely I tried this. Surely I must have tried this and I couldn't. Bloop. It's a key! Okay, obviously it's not the... Okay, well, I thought I was being smart. Apparently not. Apparently not. Okay, back to square one. There is a storage facility, storage facility, storage facility. Let's maybe try at the church again, cause I don't know where else to go. Okay. Can we go use this door now? Still locked? Next we do the thing in all adventure games where we try the keys on every single item we can think of. Alright, obviously not right there. Time to go and find the key. Maybe it's at the cemetery? Heck if I know. I'm assuming it's for one of these weirdos. I just, you know, 5? Alright, so it's obviously not this. I should call somebody. The Red Man? Eileen? Storage facility? Sorry, I had nothing. Hello? That's all I needed. Okay, goodbye. Search. Oh, storage facility maybe?
Okay, there's a place in town. Got the address, I should head over there.
I'm not thinking like a 90s kid. I'm thinking like a kid in 2017. Gotta look at the phone book for information for addresses. Doy. Because I keep thinking like, I'll just ask people. No. You have a phone book. Use it. Well, that took way too long to figure out. That's okay. Now we're gonna go to a storage facility. Do-do-do. This is it. Storage A5. Alright. What's this? Oh, it's just a bunch of paintings. I thought it was blood. Boy, that's just kind of creepy. Wait, read it. Who's he?
I guess he felt compelled to tell the world how hard he was
Lunatic.
looking for something. Lunatic.
Yeah.
He must not have wanted anyone to learn the secrets of these paintings.
What? Wow, really? Oh, he's pulling like a weird, poor Leonardo da Vinci on it, trying to see the secrets within it. Ugh, that's really sad.
This might come in handy.
Oh no, am I gonna ruin the last painting? That just seems terrible. Is that all I can do? Oh, light switch. Alright. Well, let's see if this key opens something else. Alright, well, luckily here, I got all day to check all the units. Ah, here we go.
Aha!
Alright, this must be Grandpa's, right? We didn't know what else this would open. Yep, looks like a bunch of junk to me. Why would he put in the storage unit, I wonder?
Empty.
Figures.
Found a tape in there.
Oh,
There's
hey!
also something else. A custody appeal form. For me? July 15th, 1981?
Wasn't that when he died?
I don't believe it. He tried to get me back from my mom. Right to the very end.
Jeez.
Pull yourself together, Kathy.
Oh. Gosh, it's so sad.
This is Joseph Rain.
Hey, Grandpa.
Operation Log, Part 4.
What?
August 8th, 1981.
Oh, this is 2 years before.
The area appears to be circular, with along the outer perimeter. I've determined that some kind of endothermic reaction is taking
Oh,
place.
he's investigating the lights, maybe?
So it's important to be observant of changes in temperature.
Changes in temperature.
Find the source. By severing the link, perhaps I can save them. Jimmy and all the others. Reoccurring dream. I'm standing in front of a huge black hole in a clearing in the woods.
Yeah?
There's a man dressed in red, urging me to jump. I'm afraid to, but I take the plunge anyway. For some reason, I don't think I have anything to lose. As I'm falling, I reach for the parachute cord, but to my horror, there's nothing there.
He still acts like he's in the war zone.
That's when I wake up.
That's super weird. Alright, well, we got some things to solve, but we're gonna figure that all out in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Poor Kathy. Jeez. We still haven't figured out. I remember there was a time where she had to go to the hospital, and I assumed it was to get a procedure done for, I think she was pregnant, either an abortion or something otherwise, but I haven't heard anything else about that. I don't know if it's related or what, but I guess we'll find out in the next episode or something, or the end of the game. I don't know how close we are to the end of the game. So, thank you guys for watching, and remember, peace, joy, love, and koi, everybody. Mwah.